Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing the problem solvings in polynomial, we'll be going to solve the 12th question written on the screen. What is the question given to us? The question is given like the value, let x be the real number if a is equal to 2011x plus 9997, b is equal to 2011x plus 9998, c is equal to 2011x plus 9999. Find the value of a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. So guys, we have a identity of this format. I'll be going to tell it to you. You may write. We'll be going to make use of this identity for next question as well. What is the identity we are knowing? A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac can be written by me as 1 by 2 times of a minus b the whole square will be plus b minus c the whole square will be plus c minus a the whole square will be. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now you might be wondering, sir, how did you get this thing? Let me show it to you. A minus b the whole square will be what? A square minus 2ab plus b square will be. B minus c the whole square will be what? B square minus 2bc plus c square will be. C minus a the whole square is what? C square minus 2ac plus a square will be. Whole will be divided by 1 by 2. So guys, what will be going to get it over here? 2a square will be going to get plus 2b square will be going to get plus 2 times of c square will be going to get minus 2ab minus 2bc and minus 2ac, and that will be going to divide it by 2. So I will be going to get it like a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Hope you guys would have got my point. Okay. So let's make use of this thing to solve this question. So while we going to make use of this thing, guys, we can see the difference between a minus b is 1 we are knowing. Okay, b is 1 more than a, and difference between b minus c is again 1 we are knowing. C is 1 more than a, and difference between a minus c is 2 we are knowing, that is c is 2 more than the a. Okay, and the value of this thing is asked to you. So that will become quite easy when I'll be going to make use of the form written of this thing on RHS side. So what is the form written on RHS side? The value of a minus will be becoming 2011x plus 9997 minus 2011 x plus 9998, that is equal to minus 1. Now b minus c will be becoming 2011 x plus 9998 minus 2011 x plus 9999. So that will again become what? Minus 1. Now a minus c will be becoming 2011 x plus 9997 minus 2011 x plus 9999, that is equal to minus 2 it will be becoming. Hope you guys would have got my point. So guys, will be making use of this thing to solve the question further, and what will be achieved by me? Guys, we'll be going to write it like a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1 by 2 times a minus b is minus 1 the whole square you are knowing, plus b minus c is minus 1 the whole square you are knowing, and c minus a will be becoming 2 because a minus c is what? Minus 2 we are knowing, so 2 square will be written by me. So the value of, okay, this is what? A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac's value. Okay, you should write it as a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ac's value. So that will become what? 1 by 2 times of 1 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, so 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, 6 by 2 is equal to 3 will be the final answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Guys, such type of this identity itself is very important. Okay, you should by heart this identity, and you should understand the derivation of this identity, because just after seeing the RHS portion you will be able to get the LHS portion. Okay, and we'll be going to make use of this identity over and again to solve this type of problems. Okay, thanks for watching, my dear students.